Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and today I'm filming a very short video on what I got myself for Christmas. So I didn't get too crazy this year, which is me going into my 2024 goals of trying to save money. But yeah, this year I ended up getting myself something very, very special that I have been wanting for a very long time. So before we get into it, please make sure if you're new here, hello, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, girl. So yeah, make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that we can get those numbers way up there for 2024. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay guys, so today, this is where my gift is coming from. So yeah, and I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. I just put my Instagram up at the bottom, but if you follow me on Instagram, you saw when I went and picked it up, because I did order it, and then when it got in, I went over and picked it up. So let's see. I never showed what I actually got, so let's go ahead and I will show you what I. Okay, so these are shoes. There's not a bag. These are actually shoes. And these are well, they just say sneakers. They don't really say the style of, like, what the name of the sneaker is. But yeah. Let's take out all of this stuff. Here is I guess this is the care card. You get an extra pair of laces. Here is your dust bags for each sneaker. And then these are the shoes that I got. Y'all, I have been, so if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all see on my stories that I have been talking about wanting a pair of these sneakers for about a year. So I've posted these ones. I've posted the dark ones that they came out with, I think maybe a few months ago. Then they had the metallic ones maybe about 6 or 7 months ago. When I saw them, I wanted them. Like, y'all, I have been wanting these shoes for an insanely long time. Like, it's almost a bit sad how much I wanted them. So when I saw that they were available online, and the person that I shop with, I don't know if you guys know her. You probably do. She's pretty big on social media, Bahar at Tyson's. I shopped with Bahar, and I went over. She ordered them for me. She made sure they had them, and yeah, I went and picked them up. So I got the white with the black double C's, and I got a size 38. And so also these retail for about $13.25. With taxes, it's a little bit more than that, but I got a size 38. So I initially wanted a size 37.5 because I'm a size 7.5, but they didn't have them. Isn't it so pretty and sleek? They didn't have them, and so I ordered this size. And so I was kind of nervous, but she did tell me that they ran like a little bit smaller, so I got this size. But then when I got there, they had a size 37.5. So I tried both of them on, and I'm not a fan of just wearing something because it looks cool or whatever. If it's uncomfortable, I'm not gonna wear it. Like, so when I tried on the 38 and the 37.5, they felt really similar, but I know that I have little fat, like piggy feet. So in the summer, if I'm intending to wear them like in the summer as well, which I will, my feet are gonna swell. So yeah, that was my reasoning for continuing to get the size 38. So yeah, these are what I bought myself. I really love them, and yeah, this is like my favorite purchase of the year thus far. Aren't they so clean and sleek? Like, I just love them so much. But yeah, if I can, I will also share some clips of how I styled them, or you guys might not even want that. If you want to know how I styled them, please let me know in the comment section below. Leave me a heart or a thumbs up or whatever, and I will get that filmed for you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.